So if I look at what's happening here, just in this corner over there, it looks like it's giving off a bit of a Christmas tree effect. Is obviously on the opposite side of the wall there's a shower, which most likely 10 to 1 hasn't been waterproofed. Which
Yes,
doesn't
the shower is
look like
literally
it
right
has.
behind you.
I think 3 things here. Either shower that's causing this damp, could be rising damp, but also remember, this side of the wall, the floor's higher.
Yes.
So you could have lateral damp.
Yes.
So damp in the high felt doesn't rise higher than 1.2 meters. So this wall is opposite of that room that we were in.
Yes.
Also remember with older houses, foundation and DPCs can tend to start disintegrating.
Yes.
And in fact, it's a common occurrence. What you're going to do here is a renovation. You can damp proof from the negative side, or you can damp proof from the positive side. So that's a nice thing with our duraslurry. It can take both negative and positive water pressure. Now, rising damp, best way to fix rising damp is to actually chop plaster off back the brick, a 2-coat slurry like our duraslurry from a.b.e. that you can coat cross-hatched on the wall. The reason you do it cross-hatched is because if you do it one way, chances of little pinholes still being open causes a problem. So you would do it cross-hatched just to make sure that you seal it off properly to stop any damp from pushing through.